How to forget all connected vehicles in Android Auto on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Connected Devices. From here, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Android Auto. Next, tap on Previously Connected Vehicles. Then tap on the More button at the top and choose Forget All Vehicles. From the confirmation pop-up box, tap on the OK button. And that's it. All the vehicles has now been forgotten. If you want to use it again, you need to set up your Android Auto again. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.